Hey y'all, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Today we're going to do another segment of the cleaning table. And today we're going to be cleaning some black drum. See you guys at the cleaning table. Alright guys, I got my black drum here. I'll show you guys how to clean a black drum. Pretty easy fish to clean for the most part. They're a little tough. Basically just do like any other fish. You'll make yourself an incision behind the head. Then you're going to run that backbone. Run that knife along that backbone, guys. Just like that. And then when you come through here, make sure you hear that clicking noise. Run all that, get all that meat off that bone with that knife. Split like that. Find yourself an entry point about where this fin starts right here. Put it through, run back through the tail. Just sit here and just peel it back, guys. Come over them rib cages. Just like that. There you go. It's a nice black drum fillet. Flip it over, do the same process on the other side. Run that knife along that backbone. Make sure you hear that clicking noise. That means you're getting all that meat, you're getting right up next to the bone. Find your entry point, about where that fin starts. Come back. Just peel it along those rib cages. Just like that. And you're going to come right here, just cut the skin. And there you go. Rib cage is intact. It's off the fillet. Looks good. I'll give it a quick rinse. And we'll skin our fillets. Start here at the tail. Just run your knife along the skin. It's real easy. Look at that, guys. Don't that look beautiful? Do the same thing with your other fillet. Real easy. So now I just go through real quick and doctor it up, make sure there ain't no bones. There's always bones right there. So just come through about like that. And there you go. Perfectly boneless black drum fillet. And I always put my fillets in water while I'm cutting them. Let them soak in water for a little bit. Come back here, do this. There you go. Alright guys, another way to clean black drum is with the pull method. So make an incision all the way down here. Come across that head. It's a little tough right in this area right here. Come across like that. Come along that backbone just like you do the other way. Find your entry point to go across, right about there. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to follow that cut all the way through to your first cut. So you've cut all the way through. And now you're going to come through here and you're going to follow that backbone, get all that meat separated from that backbone, all the way up to the rib cage. And here's where it gets different, guys. Now you're just gonna make sure this is all cut right here. You're just gonna come through here, you're just gonna rip that rib cage up. Just like that. And you're gonna rip that fillet off. and your rib cage will be intact with a fillet. If you're cleaning a lot of fish, this is the method I use, especially for sheephead, because when I get into my groove, I can just rip through some fish doing it this way. I take a little bit more time on my black drum. For one, I don't ever get as many black drum as I do sheephead. And two, this is Amber's favorite fish to eat. So I try to take my time with these. Get as much meat as I possibly can, even if I have a lot of them. So there you go, guys. There's your fillets. Give them a quick rinse. And we're just gonna skin them real quick. A little bit tough right here. They got some crazy backbones on them. I mean, rib cages rather. Come through like this. There you go. Do the same thing with this one. There you go. I was able to get that rib cage off the skin a lot easier. Get all those bones out. There you go, you got two boneless fillets. There you go, guys. There's two different methods to clean a black drum. You can also, if you want, leave the skin on a black drum and put them on the grill. That's another good way of doing it. So I'm gonna get the rest of these, and that's what we ended up with. Nice little yield. Some nice. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just simple cleaning of some black drum. Showed you two different methods there. Just a standard way of cleaning fish and what I call the pull method. You also can leave the skin on the black drum, put them on the grill. I didn't in this video because I got other plans for these fillets. But I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you guys out a little bit, people that don't really clean fish that often. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys for subscribing to this channel. You guys are awesome. We're actually skyrocketing right now in views and in subscribers, and that's because of each and every one of you guys, and I appreciate you all very, very much. If you haven't subscribed, run over there and hit that subscribe button, y'all, and that little bell for notifications. And thumbs up are always appreciated, guys. Well, until I get to see you again soon here on the water, y'all, tie lines, guys.